Morning now. This la process, this la DY Agarwood, micro kappa species belong. First time I come 3 months, 4 months ago, I'm even drilling me, you looking. Now me put him, you can look all plow all. So now me come now, I'm second pace now, me make him all no flyer. So I got 3 fly, and then last one start. So after that now I'm ready now, you can harvest him. So and big plus something plus stress him DY. Okay. Now by Larry mem now by producing ECC. You no can walk in by DY diarrhea or no can walk in by DY life. You must walk in by step of 50 or kind of same. And big plus something I'm stress. Time DY stress so I'm sick and by producing this something you like him resin. Oil blongan. And this is something you mean you looking. You know this all get a whole DY by you kisim na biya na by you salim. No at. And bol kisim na bol kat him now. Biya na bol chip him. Go na by liglig all up. Maybe one fly DY can give me 3 kilo or 2 kilo or 4 kilo. And depend lo how you art of inoculation, how you make him. And important lo by producing. Kat some plus him can. So you ask him now we can. Oh Billy ask.
And first time you drill it, okay, now I'm second time doing it. So, and by at third time, can by you come back and drill it or how?
That first round, second round, third round. One kind of so legal ausik. You see marasinino this law get a triple dose by you one flat time. And by narapla story. So by you kiss him in gradually. Because something and you mistress him easy. You think him. So si mi hari up long by me oversoak him and die. Or say maybe talk finish ya. No can kill him you stress him. So you may go kiss him first pace, maybe 3-4 months, even 5 tomorrow, right? Next pace can you now we make him now, but we make him interval no narapla 3-4 months. But we indicating the leaf blame, so leaf blame am dry and stress. You look him stress. Now leaf blame go healthy and recover can. Or by me looking all suits by Kamata.
So right now you look the leaf belong em no behind no slamas moon finish to be drill na come back. So assessment bill leaves them em recover or that's the first drilling.
Time and being you look him leaf blame no healthy.
Okay.
You can look him fully green. Long time and been yellow. Now I'm recover can go green. And now you make him now you got last round. Long and stuff.
All right, and that's all.
By you looking. I mean you dig it, you drilling finish lo yeah. But good the time straight lo check him, after 3, but after this one you wait for another 3 months. So total of around 6 to 10 months. Now you check him and by you can look him good positive sign by Kama. But now say me I rep soul because me like so him all. How resins are formed. Okay. So by me cut him now, by me check him. Okay, looking good. Come close to. This lol call him lo meat white wood belong Okay, this line inside there. Cellulose sting me put him this like inside there. Okay, formation belong by form round him So by infect him na by grow spread o same. O by roni one tap can meet lo yan, I can meet him all narapla. So say spread o same. You can look him So me talk you looking. The more you may go and by increase inside. You looking?
Oh, okay.
Even you can kiss him this a lick and you smell him. You mean you cook hilo pa. Now you can smell.
Siapa yang putih lo pa? Tara kukulma masas na tayo transfer. Isla time barata ilten em kam mitlalo. Wakim Agarwood. Time em stressin finish em drilling on hole. Kita putih di slawl mid stick or fork stick. Induces stick ya. Putih gonsa leveti mol resist bloen by tamara side. Aina sol lol nakal sem drilling ya. So me now want cameraman barata belum 1575. Mamplak sim di slawl. Sabe loranim Eaglewood time barata ino start. So now me walk la putih di slawl. This is stick longen. Do vetim dis la all nakas o dis la lapis stress. By only can avasi by infection doon by stop.
Em ta sola?
Em tasol.
Okay, ben ben mi gudan em drilling you.